in pteridophytes, that reproduction. So for that, the first one, that is the cone, right? Cone, or we call the what? Strobili. Either we call cone or which one? Strobili. So cone or strobili, it is made up of what? Tell me fast. That is, over here the structure is there, that is made up of what? Sporophyll. Cone structure is made up of what? Sporophyll. When I take individual sporophyll over here, single structure in this part, right? So this sporophyll that now possess what? First, क्या present है? Sporangia, plural sporangia. When I say the sporangia, so inside the sporangia, what thing is present? Spore mother cell. This each one spore mother cell will undergo meiosis and form how many daughter cells? 4. These are the 4 we call spores, right? Now suppose dioecious है, क्या है? Dioecious. Dioecious are unisexual or bisexual? Unisexual, right? So dioecious है, unisexual, तो ये स्पोर्स जो है वो मेल के लिए है सपोज, तो ये क्या बनेंगे? माइक्रोस्पोर्स, राइट? क्या बनेंगे? माइक्रोस्पोर्स. वी हैव ऑलरेडी लर्न इन डिटेल, right? Microspores that will germinate and form what? Heart shape gametophyte, right? This heart shaped gametophyte we call, in case of pteridophytes, prothallus. This one we call prothallus. No doubt it's a basically microspore से develop हो रहा है, so we call male gametophyte. Male gametophyte, और gametophyte को हम बोलते हैं prothallus, right? Prothallus. Thallus meaning which form? Erect or the prostrate form? Prostrate form. So ये prostrate form है that attached to the substratum with the help of, यहाँ पे भी yes, rhizoids are present. Prostrate के पास क्या है? Rhizoids. These pteridophytes are true land plants? Yes or no? Because they possess root, stem and leaves too, and they also possess first time vascular tissues, xylem and phloem. क्लियर? सो मेल गैमेटोफाइट डेवलप. मेल गैमेटोफाइट में क्या बनेंगे? आर्किगोनिया, यस, एंथ्रीडियम आर फॉर्म. एंथ्रीडियम इनसाइड दैट बाइफ्लैजिलेटेड एंथ्रोजॉइड्स. क्लियर? नाउ सेम जैसे मेल के लिए है, सेम वे दैट्स द फीमेल कॉन, राइट? फीमेल कॉन के लिए क्या है? मेगास्पोरोफिल, राइट? और मैक्रोस्पोरोफिल. सो सिंगल मेगास्पोरोफिल. मेगास्पोरोफिल के ऊपर क्या आएंगे? मेगास्पोरेंजियम. फर्स्ट ये माइक्रोस्पोरेंजियम था, तो ये क्या बनेगा? मेगास्पोरेंजियम. एंड मेगास्पोरेंजियम के पास क्या है? megaspore mother cell. This cell will undergo meiosis, and by that way it will form megaspores. How many? 4. 4 megaspores. As and when this megaspore germinate, it form heart shape female gametophyte or prothallus. And here which structure gets developed? Archegonium inside that egg cell. This anthrozoid reach to this egg cell, leads to, and by fertilization, zygote formation. Zygote will undergo now mitosis, right? And multicellular embryo form. Zygote say this that zygote, when from multicellular embryo, it differentiated into root, stem and leaf. Clear, right? हाँ, stop कर देना.